Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make real money online. With the rise of the internet, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. If you're looking to earn extra cash, supplement your income, or even quit your day job, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step to making money online is to identify your skills and interests. Do you enjoy writing, graphic design, or social media? Perhaps you're good at programming, web design, or teaching. Whatever your skills and interests are, there is likely a way to make money online using them. Once you have identified your skills, you can begin to look for opportunities that match your abilities. Step 2. Research online money-making opportunities. The second step is to research online money-making opportunities. There are countless ways to make money online, from freelance work to selling products and services. Some popular options include freelancing on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, selling products on Amazon, Etsy, or other online marketplaces, teaching courses on Udemy or Skillshare, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency, participating in online surveys, or completing micro-tasks on sites like Swagbucks or Mechanical Turk. Take some time to explore these options and see which ones align with your skills and interests. Step 3. Build your online presence. No matter what online money-making opportunity you choose, building an online presence is crucial. This means creating a website, social media profiles, and a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. You want to make it easy for potential clients or customers to find and connect with you. Step 4. Start small and build up. When it comes to making money online, it's important to start small and build up. Don't expect to make a full-time income right away. Instead, start with a part-time gig or a small project and use it to gain experience and build your portfolio. As you gain more experience and establish a reputation, you can begin to take on larger projects and clients. Step 5. Stay committed and consistent. Finally, making money online requires commitment and consistency. You won't see results overnight, but if you stick with it and continue to work hard, you can achieve your financial goals. Set realistic expectations and be willing to put in the time and effort required to succeed. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on making real money online. Remember, the key is to identify your skills and interests, research online money-making opportunities, build your online presence, start small and build up, and stay committed and consistent. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your online ventures into a lucrative source of income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.